Hello friends, welcome to Heaven Drives. Today I am going to show you how to keep data in separate fields. Watch the entire video and if you like it, please like and subscribe. If you have a single column that contains name and data all in one and you want to separate them into different columns like first name, last name and date, here's how you can do it. First, click on the column that has all the data. This will select all the data in that column. Then click on the data option. Next, click on Speed Text to Columns. After clicking this, a new option will appear where you can choose such as comma, space, etc. This means if your data is separated by commas, you would select the comma option to separate the fields. As you can see in my sheet, there is a space between the name and dates. So I will select the space option. See, my fields now separated. In just 1 minute, all your data is separated. For more short tricks like this, stay connected with us.